Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to open a NatWest bank account online. First thing I want you to do is go to their website, and then you're going to go ahead and scroll down here. You can click on continue to select account. Just choose the account that you want to go ahead and open. So continue with this. They'll ask you if they know you. If you're a completely new customer, select that, click on next, and then just start your application. Just make sure you have these before you start applying. So go ahead and give him your information, your full name, right there as it would appear on your ID. If you have any middle names, things like that, your date of birth, mobile number, email address. They'll use these to go ahead and, give you info to contact you and also verify you. Then go next, make sure everything is correct, and then say, yes, that's right. And then go ahead and choose your address right there. Say whether or not you are a tax resident, things like that. If you're not, then say that, and then you just go ahead and go through these. If you want an overdraft, they'll ask you for more features if you're interested. So if you'd like to switch, you can of course select that as well, and then click on next. Then your online banking PIN as well, and your online banking password. You can set these up, and then you just go ahead and complete these right here. And if you want any offers, proceed with these as well, and just proceed with the on-screen instructions, and you'll have your account created and verified. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.